So at this year's IBC, we're going to present Xplore, which is a browsing tool that is used for live production. Here we're showing a demonstration with our partners Broadcast Solutions. So as you can see here on the screen, we have footage that is recorded on our XT-VIA servers that are in the trucks, of Broadcast Solutions, which is on the other side of the hall. And basically through fiber optic, we're able to browse and retrieve content that are on those servers. This is an application that's been used for major events and that has proved to be very successful because it gives access to media during a live production so that you can already start preparing packages for programs after the event or during the halftime, for example.
So with Xplore you are able to browse the remote content on the hobby. So you are able to access the XT and the content of the XT. So we'll select first the action, perform a mark-in, and then a mark-out, then export it, give it a name. Once done, all the data will be automatically extracted from the XT, transcode it, and then transfer to the broadcast center using the Aspera transfer. We have also a global monitoring interface that allows to monitor all what is happening in the different hobby. So we have multiple connected agents in the different hobby van, and we can monitor everything. And all the metadata about what is happening is available in the cloud, so you can connect anytime, anywhere in the cloud to see everything that is going on all the location and troubleshoot. And soon we will be also able to perform some action on the workflow, like a pause, play, cancel, and processes app.
So the Broadcast Solutions truck was built for Live Park Ekstraklasa, which are responsible for the live production of football in Poland. And so they have acquired 2 XT-VIA servers, which they will use for the 4K production of Polish football, which should begin early next year or towards the end of this year already. So we have different solutions in terms of content management. This is sort of a solution that is enabled by our VIA platform, which is a platform that allows us to, let's say, create new features. And this platform is based on a microservices architecture. And many of our new products will be, let's say, founded on this platform.